Imagine waking up each morning and finding that money has come in while you slept. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if this could be your reality? In a world where the hustle never stops, there's a hidden treasure waiting for those who dare to think differently. Imagine that you have 5 powerful strategies that can turn your sleep into a money-making machine. Yes, you heard that right. It's not just about working hard, it's about working smart. What if you could set up systems that generate income without you lifting a finger? Now, think for a moment. How many hours do you spend working for others? What if those hours could be transformed into hours of freedom? As we dive deeper, the secrets of passive income will unfold, revealing opportunities that are often overlooked. Stay with us, because you'll learn how to make money while you dream, and the best part? You can start today. But before we begin, subscribe to the channel. If you want more money in your pocket and successful investments, this is where you'll learn. Turn on notifications and let's get started. Investments in dividends. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can be an excellent way for individuals to earn a steady stream of passive income. When a company decides to share a portion of its profits with shareholders, it pays out dividends, often on a quarterly basis. This means that investors can enjoy regular cash flow just for holding onto their shares, which can be particularly appealing for those looking to supplement their income or save for retirement. One of the key advantages of dividend stocks is that they can provide a cushion during market downturns. While stock prices may fluctuate, the dividends often remain consistent, giving investors a sense of stability. Many seasoned investors focus on companies with a strong history of paying and increasing dividends, as these companies tend to be financially sound and resilient in various economic climates. To get started with dividend investing, it's important to do thorough research. Investors should look at metrics like the dividend yield, payout ratio, and the company's overall financial health. A sustainable payout ratio indicates that the company can continue to pay dividends without jeopardizing its operations. By investing in a diversified portfolio of dividend stocks, investors can also mitigate risks associated with reliance on a single company. For those who want to reinvest their dividends, many brokerage firms offer dividend reinvestment plans called DRIPs. This allows investors to buy more shares automatically with the dividends they earn, further compounding their returns over time. This strategy is particularly effective for long-term investors looking to build wealth gradually. Ultimately, dividend investing is not just about immediate returns, it's about creating a financial strategy that works over the long haul. With careful selection and management, investors can enjoy the benefits of both capital appreciation and passive income, making it a compelling option for many. Rental properties. Investing in rental properties can be a lucrative way to generate passive income while also building equity over time. When individuals purchase real estate to rent out, they create an opportunity to earn monthly cash flow from tenants. This can be especially attractive in markets where property values are on the rise, as the investor benefits from both rental income and property appreciation. Managing rental properties comes with its own set of challenges, including finding reliable tenants and handling maintenance issues. Screen potential tenants carefully, checking their credit history and rental background to ensure they are likely to pay rent on time and take care of the property. Establishing clear rental agreements can also help set expectations and reduce disputes down the line. Maximizing returns on rental properties involves more than just collecting monthly rent. Investors should consider ways to increase the property's value, such as making strategic renovations or improvements. Upgrading kitchens and bathrooms or adding energy-efficient features can attract higher-paying tenants and reduce vacancies, ultimately boosting profitability. Another aspect to think about is property management. Some investors choose to manage properties themselves, while others hire property management companies. While hiring a management company means an additional expense, it can save time and reduce stress, allowing investors to focus on other opportunities. In the end, Investing in rental properties can provide a reliable income stream and long-term financial growth. With the right strategies in place, investors can create a successful rental business that not only pays the bills but also contributes to their overall wealth. Digital content creation. Creating digital content is another avenue for generating passive income. Whether through blogs, videos, or online courses, there are numerous ways to monetize content in today's digital landscape. The key is to find a niche that resonates with an audience, providing value through information, entertainment, or education. Monetization typically occurs through various channels, such as advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. For instance, bloggers can earn money from ads placed on their sites, while YouTube creators can generate income through ad revenue based on views. As an audience grows, opportunities for sponsorships also increase, allowing content creators to partner with brands that align with their message. Additionally, creating and selling digital products like ebooks or online courses can provide another layer of income. Once the initial work is done, these products can sell repeatedly with little additional effort, making them a great source of passive income. The challenge lies in marketing these products effectively to reach potential customers. To succeed in digital content creation, consistency is key. Regularly updating content keeps the audience engaged and encourages repeat visits or views. Whether it's a weekly blog post or a monthly video, having a schedule can help build a loyal following over time. Ultimately, digital content creation offers a flexible and scalable way to earn passive income. By leveraging creativity and technology, individuals can turn their passions into profitable ventures, creating a sustainable income stream that grows with their audience. Creating digital content has become a popular avenue for generating income. Whether it's blogging, producing videos, or offering online courses, there are many ways to monetize what you love. For instance, starting a blog on a topic you're passionate about can attract readers, and with enough traffic, you can make money through advertising. Platforms like Google AdSense allow you to earn money every time someone clicks on an ad on your site. Videos are another powerful medium. YouTube creators can earn revenue through ads once they meet certain criteria, such as having a specific number of subscribers and watch hours. Brands might also approach you for sponsorships if your channel gains popularity. This means you can promote their products while getting paid, making it a win-win situation. Online courses have taken off, especially with the rise of remote learning. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Many creators find that once their course is up and running, it generates passive income, as students continue to enroll over time. The key is to market your course effectively and ensure that it provides value to learners. Social media can play a significant role in promoting your digital content. Engaging with your audience on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok can drive traffic to your blog or videos. Building a loyal following can lead to opportunities for collaborations with brands, further enhancing your income potential. Being consistent and authentic in your interactions can help you create a community around your content. Finally, diversifying your income streams is crucial. Relying solely on one platform can be risky, so consider branching out. For instance, you could write a book on your blog's topic, turning your knowledge into another revenue source. By creating a cohesive brand across different channels, you can maximize your earnings while doing what you enjoy. Royalties income. Generating income through royalties can be a fantastic way to earn passive income from your creative works. Whether you're an author, musician, or inventor, royalties allow you to profit from your creations long after they're made. For writers, publishing a book can lead to ongoing royalties each time a copy is sold. The key is to ensure your book is available on multiple platforms, such as Amazon or local bookstores, to reach a wider audience. Musicians also benefit from royalties when their music is played on streaming services or radio. As streaming becomes increasingly popular, artists can earn money based on the number of times their songs are played. It's important for musicians to register their work with performance rights organizations to ensure they receive the royalties owed to them. For inventors, patents can generate royalties through licensing agreements. If you create a product, you can license it to a company, allowing them to produce and sell it, while you earn a percentage of the sales. This not only provides a steady income, but also allows you to focus on developing new ideas without getting bogged down in production. Promoting your creations is vital for maximizing royalty income. Authors can leverage social media and book signings to reach potential readers, while musicians can perform live or collaborate with other artists to expand their audience. The more visibility you have, the higher the chances of generating sales and, consequently, royalties. Protecting your intellectual property is equally important. Registering copyrights or trademarks can safeguard your work from being used without your permission. This ensures that you continue to benefit from your creations and can take action if someone tries to infringe on your rights. Automation of online businesses. In today's digital age, automation has become a game changer for entrepreneurs looking to build online businesses. One of the popular methods is dropshipping, where a retailer sells products without holding any inventory. Instead, when a customer makes a purchase, the retailer buys the item from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. This model allows you to run a store without the hassle of managing stock or shipping logistics, making it an attractive option for newcomers. Setting up a dropshipping business is relatively straightforward. First, you need to choose a niche that interests you and has a demand in the market. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to find reliable suppliers who can fulfill your orders. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo make it easy to connect with suppliers and list their products on your online store. The key is to focus on creating a user-friendly website that showcases your products effectively. Marketing your dropshipping store is crucial for success. Since you won't have a physical presence, you'll rely heavily on online marketing strategies, such as social media advertising and search engine optimization, or as you have heard, SEO. By targeting the right audience and using engaging content, you can drive traffic to your site and increase sales. It's essential to monitor your marketing campaigns and make adjustments based on what works best for your business. Another popular method of automation is affiliate marketing. In this model, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Many companies offer affiliate programs, making it easy to find products that align with your interests. You can promote these products through a blog, video content, or social media. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can earn money around the clock, even while you sleep. To succeed in affiliate marketing, building a strong online presence is key. This involves creating valuable content that attracts your target audience and encourages them to click your affiliate links. It's important to choose products or services that you genuinely believe in, as this builds trust with your audience. Additionally, tracking your performance and optimizing your strategies can help you increase your earnings over time. Automating online businesses opens up various avenues for generating passive income. Through consistent effort in marketing and optimization, you can create a reliable income stream that requires minimal ongoing involvement. The goal is to set up systems that work for you, allowing you to focus on other interests or projects while your business continues to generate revenue. For instance, automating customer service through chatbots can save you time and enhance the customer experience. By answering common inquiries without your direct involvement, you can provide immediate support to your customers, which can lead to higher satisfaction and repeat business. This automation not only improves efficiency, but also frees you up to work on other areas of your business. Another aspect of automation is utilizing email marketing. By setting up automated email campaigns, you can nurture leads and keep your audience engaged without having to send each email manually. This strategy allows you to promote new products, share valuable content, and encourage repeat purchases effortlessly. With the right tools, you can segment your audience and tailor your messages for maximum impact. Additionally, leveraging analytics tools can help you understand your audience better and optimize your strategies. By analyzing data on customer behavior, sales trends, and website traffic, you can make informed decisions that drive growth. These insights allow you to continuously improve your automated systems and ensure that your business remains competitive in the ever-evolving online landscape. Ultimately, the key to successfully automating an online business lies in finding the right balance between technology and personal touch. While automation can handle many tasks, maintaining a connection with your audience is vital. By combining automated systems with genuine engagement, you can create a thriving online business that not only generates passive income, but also fosters a loyal customer base. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible potential of passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep. It's not just a dream, it's a reality that many are already living. These 5 strategies we discussed are your ticket to financial freedom. But let's make this real. Think about your own life. Which of these methods resonates with you the most? Are you ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing, or maybe explore the magic of peer-to-peer lending? The choice is yours. Remember, every small step you take today can lead to big changes tomorrow. Now, as all of our videos, here's a challenge. Pick one strategy and commit to taking action this week. What will it be? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your journey could inspire others to take that leap too. And don't forget, the key to success is consistency. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't hesitate to adapt your approach along the way. If you found value in this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building your wealth. Let's keep this financial journey going together. What will you start today?